What's going on, guys? Are you looking to strengthen the frame on your Polaris RZR 900 Trail? Well, SuperATV's got you covered with their heavy-duty frame stiffener. It's going to tie everything in nice and tight. That way you don't have to worry about ripping your lower A-arm tabs off, and it'll keep you going while you're on the trail. So we're going to jump right in here and show you everything you need to do to get it installed. First thing we're going to do is remove all our hardware from our lower A-arms. Remove this bolt, as well as this bolt. Now we're just going to repeat the same steps on the opposite side. So we have our frame stiffener as well as our hardware laid out here. As you can see, these bolts are a little bit longer than the factory ones, so we'll be replacing all the factory hardware with the provided hardware in the kit. All we're going to do, take our frame stiffener, line it up with the factory frame tabs, kind of get it in place. Now we're just going to take our frame stiffener, get it lined up. Once we have our frame stiffener installed, we'll just go through, get our hardware all lined up, get it installed. So we're just giving our bolts a little tap here. Sometimes when you add that frame stiffener in, it just makes them a little bit harder to go through. So you might have to give them a little bit of a tap. Just make sure you have them started through there, that way you don't tear your threads up. So now what we're gonna do is go through and install all of our nylock nuts. And we'll go right back to the far back. Once we have all our hardware installed, we're just going to go through and fully tighten all the hardware. Once all your hardware is fully tightened, that's all there is to it. To pick up your heavy-duty frame stiffener, be sure to check the description below for a link. Also, be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.